you ready? The time has come. Let the show begin.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Every day, animals are hurt. They feel pain just like us, but they cannot speak.
We are their only hopes. Their lives depend on our compassion. Let's stop crowdly. Let's choose kindness. Adapt, don't shop.
The voice for voiceless. Protect, care, and love all animals because their lives too.
Animal rights are human responsibilities.